Today, let's explore Spotify's use of artificial intelligence in revolutionizing the music streaming industry. Every minute, millions of music enthusiasts around the globe tune in to their favorite tracks. Companies like Spotify capitalize on this immense volume of data, ranging from song preferences and keywords to playlist habits and user locations. At Spotify, data serves as the cornerstone of decision-making processes, driving enhancements to user experiences. One prime example is Discovery Weekly, a feature that has captivated nearly 40 million users within its first year. Every Monday, individual users receive a personalized playlist comprising 30 tracks, many of which they may have never heard before. These recommendations are curated based on users' search history, behavioral patterns, and potential music preferences, all powered by machine learning algorithms. This not only keeps users engaged with the app, but also provides valuable exposure to lesser-known artists. To craft these personalized playlists, Spotify utilizes a blend of sophisticated data models, each playing a pivotal role in the process. We'll explore these models in detail in the upcoming slides. The collaborative filtering model employed by Spotify compares a user's behavioral patterns with those of other users to generate personalized recommendations. While platforms like Netflix utilize star-based ratings for this purpose, Spotify relies on implicit feedback. This includes actions such as song plays, saving songs to playlists, or visiting artist pages after listening to a song. By analyzing this data, Spotify can suggest relevant content to users with similar behavioral profiles. Moving on to the natural language processing (NLP) model, it examines human speech in textual form. Spotify's AI scans metadata, blogs, news, and online discussions related to specific artists and songs. It analyzes the language used and identifies key terms, phrases, and sentiments associated with these discussions. These insights are then categorized into cultural vectors and top terms. Each artist and song is linked to numerous top terms, which are continually updated based on their frequency and relevance. These terms are weighted according to their importance in relation to user preferences for specific songs or artists. Spotify's approach to handling new music terms and filtering out irrelevant content is dynamic and adaptive. Unlike a fixed dictionary, its system can identify emerging music terms in multiple languages on the fly. Through a rigorous filtering process, spam and non-music-related content are swiftly discarded. Moving on to the audio model, Spotify analyzes raw audio tracks to categorize songs effectively. This allows Spotify to evaluate all songs comprehensively, regardless of their online coverage. For instance, if a new song by an emerging artist receives minimal online attention, the NLP model may overlook it. However, by leveraging data from the audio model, the collaborative filtering model can still recommend it to users with similar tastes. Spotify utilizes convolutional neural networks, CNN, typically used in facial recognition, to process audio data and identify similarities between songs. By predicting listener preferences based on audio signals, Spotify employs regression models to map songs in a low-dimensional latent space. This approach enables the collaborative filtering model to project both listeners and songs into this shared space, facilitating accurate recommendations. When two songs are close in this space, it indicates similarity, enhancing the recommendation process. Spotify's ability to deliver personalized recommendations is a key factor in its exceptional user experience. This is evident through innovative playlist concepts like Discovery Weekly and Release Radar. But how does Spotify achieve such precision? In 2017, Spotify made strategic acquisitions to bolster its technology. The acquisition of Nylund, a French startup specializing in music search and discovery engines powered by deep learning and machine learning algorithms, elevated Spotify's capabilities beyond mere personalization. Additionally, Spotify acquired Media Chain Labs, a blockchain company ensuring fair compensation for every track played on the platform. This was crucial, especially as Spotify's user base continued to expand. Machine learning has become fundamental to Spotify's success, enabling artists to better understand their audiences and facilitating discovery. By deeply understanding their customer base and employing predictive recommendation models, Spotify has maintained its position at the pinnacle of the music streaming industry. In conclusion, Spotify's innovative use of artificial intelligence has propelled it to the forefront of the music streaming industry. By harnessing the power of data and machine learning, Spotify continues to redefine the music listening experience for millions of users worldwide.